What's up, guys?
Hello.
Tuesday Newsday.
Tuesday Newsday with Jake and Misty.
We're back again.
So we are on our back porch, one of our favorite places to be in the springtime.
Trying to find some zen. It's been a busy spring.
It has been. It's been so busy, but we love to sit out here and listen to the birds and look at all the flowers and
And each other.
And each other, obviously.
Oh, all the comments. I can see them already.
Yeah. So, oh my goodness. So it has been, like Jake said, it's been busy.
Yes.
Very busy. But I feel like we're to the tail end. We're getting ready for some vacation at the end of the week. We're going to go visit my brother's family out in North Carolina.
We're ready to be vacated.
To be vacationing.
Vacationing.
For sure. And yeah, hopefully get some beach time and.
But a couple more days. We're filming right now.
Yes.
So we just came from the studio, so we have to finish that out before we can go. So we're
Yeah.
staying focused.
Yeah, absolutely.
We're staying focused. We're not getting
Just till the finish line.
to the finish line. So what's up on the list?
Well, first up, I had a brand new video release yesterday, and it's the first in our series with Sewing Down South with Craig
yeah,
from
so
Sewing
fun.
Down South. So be sure to check that out. That was super fun. He had me out there with some other friends from Missouri Star, and we set up his sewing room for him. So he has a dedicated space now to be sewing again. It was super cool.
Super fun, super cool collaboration. There's a few episodes, so we're really excited. It's gonna be cool.
Yeah, so there will be more coming all summer long, so be sure to watch for that. And then I know Natalie has a really fun tutorial coming on Friday. It's part of her What If series, on tranquil triangles. So that's really fun, where she takes one of Jenny's old tutorials and just kind of asks what happens if she changes some things or plays with different color placement. So
That's a fun series.
It's super fun.
It was a good idea, yeah.
Yep, so be sure to check that out. And then it said, Annie suggested I share a little show and tell. And to be quite honest, I've been so busy filming, I don't have a lot to show for myself as far as personal projects.
We can show you the garden. Like, we'll show you a little
that's
sneak
true.
peek after this is over.
We've done a lot of gardening, so I'll show you a bit of that. But the one thing I can share that I have really been enjoying is English paper piecing. If you have not seen our beginner kit, I love it. I took it with me. I just did a trip to Chicago for H&H and taught at a guild up there. Took it with me on the plane and did some stitching, and yeah, it's coming together. Here's the back side of all my papers taking shape. So good things are coming.
That's top secret, yeah?
Well, it is mostly. Yeah, that's also gonna be a tutorial. So be watching for that. But yeah, so that's been super fun, and I'm excited because if you've never done English paper piecing before, the thing that I like about it is so portable. So like when you're driving to North Carolina, and I'm the passenger princess, I can sit and do my stitching. So it'll be a good time. But then let's see, what else do we have coming up? Oh, I am super excited. My friend Audra and her co-host Bethany have a podcast called The Social Hour, SEW, Social. And I am going to be on it next Tuesday, so a week from today. You can tune in and watch. So anywhere you listen to podcasts. Yeah. Super fun. We had a great conversation, and I think maybe even their YouTube as well. So we'll put some info about that. And then what else? What else is new?
It was just Mother's Day.
That's true.
Called Mom. She's doing great. Africa's holding together.
Yep.
She's all positive things. Her sewing class and stuff's going really good over there, so that's a lot of fun. But yeah, good things.
That is good. And Jake and the kids spoiled me rotten. They made me good food and
some smoked chicken. It was delicious.
It was a great day. Just a nice, relaxing day. So then it says, any other fun summer plans? What are you looking forward to?
The trip.
Oh, yeah.
We got to call it out one time. There's a few more spots left for the trip to Africa.
Our trip to Kenya. And so, we're going with Craft Tours in August to Kenya.
It's filling up, though. So if you want to go, you got to go.
You got to
decide.
Yes, because it will be here before you know it. So that's super fun. I can't wait. Like I said before.
And all the kids are going to be there.
Yeah.
And they're fun.
And so when I got to take the girls' trip, I just knew I wanted to bring the family back. And so now we get to go.
And so we don't have young kids. Our youngest is 14. It's crazy. Oh, the two kids graduated.
I was just going to say.
Yeah.
So it's Gideon's senior year. I was prepared for him to graduate. Ashlyn has been working hard.
Which he did.
He did. He
Yay.
graduated. Hooray!
We got one through. It's going good.
And so then Ashlyn has been working hard to graduate early. And so I thought I had at least like a little while. And so then Gideon's
a month or two.
Gideon's like, I'm all done, Mom. I did my last class. And then like 2 days later, Ashlyn's like, I'm all done, Mom. So now we have two graduates.
Yes.
So
wild.
We're very proud of them. And
we're trying to come to grips with that we're just...
I can't think about it too much, or I just like turn into a puddle of tears. But anyway, we're very proud of them. They're great kids.
Awesome, yeah, so good.
So,
and yeah, it's gonna be a fun trip too. So that'll be a lot of fun. But yeah.
Yeah. So,
what else do we have?
Well, I mean, let's see. Okay, so Annie gave me a cheat sheet, so I'm gonna try and make sure I get everything. So yeah, spring is in full swing. As far as like things that are bringing me joy. Tons of gardening. Jake built me
the backyard. These walls, I built these this year.
He built these shades.
They're not done yet, so don't look too close, but
they look great.
I gotta trim them out.
And they've added a bunch of shade to our back porch, which has been so nice. And then he built me some raised garden beds for my veggies and my strawberries. I did a whole bed full of strawberries, so I'm super excited about that.
Strawberry shortcake in July, we're hoping.
Fingers crossed. We'll see. So. But yeah, we've just been doing a lot of yard work. We love that. And so we love to plant flowers and then enjoy the fruits of our labor, in the years to come, which I feel like this year has really.
Yeah, like a lot of our flower beds and stuff we did like 3 years ago, and they're like starting to really just explode and finally blooming, all the flowers and stuff. Yeah, I love it.
It's been super fun. And so that's cool. And then, Missouri Star Academy is coming up in Hamilton. I almost forgot about that. So that is June 10th and 11th. And I think...
Geez, that is coming up.
In conjunction with that is like our June Guild Days. So if you have a guild, it's a great time to come to town. And it's the 5th time that we've had Missouri Star Academy here in Hamilton. We typically do it every other year, and we had a delay during COVID, obviously. But it's super fun, and the tickets for Academy itself are sold out, but it's a great time to come to town because there's a lot of free demos and other fun things happening in the shops. So whether you can attend Academy itself or not, you should still come visit because there's extra people in town, and it's just a great energy.
Yeah.
So yeah.
It's fun to meet new people.
Exactly. So June 10th and 11th. So take a little day trip if you're close by. But yeah, I think that's pretty much the majority of it.
Is there like a tagline? It's like, now you've been informed.
Now have a great week.
It's Tuesday. Now you know.
It's
the
Tuesday.
Rest of the story.
My dad made up like a little
Wait,
jingle.
what was that guy's name?
It's the
rest of
Tuesday
the Paul Harvey. Paul Harvey.
Oh, that's.
And now you know.
The rest of the story.
The rest of the story. Oh, should we go look at the garden real quick?
Sure.
I guess. Let's just do it. Here we go.
Okay.
All right, lead us.
Okay.
We're coming off the tripod. This is not scripted, people.
Okay, goodness gracious, his knees backwards. So over here we have lots of beautiful iris that are in bloom. So I thought you might like to see these.
If you're getting sick, shut the video off now and abandon.
We're sorry. So here's some garden. We have yellow and peach and lavender.
Are these coming in?
Can you see
They're
them all?
beautiful. I don't know. This one's cute.
They're so pretty.
Yeah.
Very proud of them. And so this whole bed is filled with
I gotta
our
get in here
iris.
because I can't see.
Oh.
I'm backwards.
Okay.
Oh yeah, show them these ones right here. These are my favorite.
Jake loves these. They're kind of peach in the middle. They're so beautiful.
Oh yeah.
And this dark purple. I love iris. So eventually I hope these will just continue to spread and fill out that whole bed. And then up
Are
here.
we still going? We're still going.
Sure, why not? Because my my snowball bushes are still showing off.
Okay.
So these will just be bright white for a few more days, but look at them. Aren't they glorious? And my pup. So anyway, we're having a lot of fun, enjoying the outside beautiful weather here in Missouri.
Yes,
so,
good time to visit, good time to hang out.
Absolutely. Yep. So thanks you guys. We'll see you next time.
Yep, see ya.